We appreciate you coming back to the Coinceras channel. Oh, was it that easy? Restoring optimism would be as simple as an XRP increase of 7% or 8% the day following Bitcoin's 6,000 candle. Both today and yesterday, I failed to observe any despondent members of the XRP community. I get it, some X platform users aren't happy with XRP and think it can't compete with Bitcoin. But I'm witnessing the same thing that has happened in the past. It occurs right before a major change. In 2020, the combination of XRP and Bitcoin looked awful. Also, I kept saying the same things over and over. You know what, whenever things appear hopeless, it's usually because they're about to undergo a major transformation. That was likewise the case throughout that period. The portion where our faces melt has not been demonstrated by XRP thus far, but unless you anticipate a market meltdown at any second, it is quite unlikely to occur. Although it is inevitable, his position against Bitcoin will not stay this weak forever. Some people in our group aren't complaining quite as much today, but it's mostly Bitcoin maxi types who are trash talking about XRP. I mean, really. You can count on me to share the knowledge of these chart gurus with you. I found it intriguing that someone asserted to have an official notification regarding the XRP bull run. I want to make it apparent that I am not from a wealthy background. My advice on money matters is not gospel. Furthermore, you shouldn't do any kind of financial transaction based on what I suggest. To be honest, all I am is a curious bystander who enjoys filming crypto-themed videos for fun and leisure and uploading them to YouTube. A chart analyst named Greg Crypto has written this piece. You may expect him to pen the official bull run announcement for XRP BTC, and here it is. The liquidity potential target of 0.00000793 has been mostly absorbed by Bitcoin's 6,000 surge, and XRP is still falling against Bitcoin. It was really on a really low level. The change is enormous, I must say. When XRP's market share was 30%, it was a formidable rival to Bitcoin. Observation of it from Bitcoin coins is typically brief, of course. I am in agreement. Yes, I do understand that. Whenever Bitcoin or XRP hits a new all-time high, it typically only remains there for a maximum of 2 weeks. Still, he doesn't give up. Some may find this annoying, but in the end, it benefits XRP. According to conventional wisdom, touching the baseline is the structural indicator that an XRP BTC bull run has officially begun. He also offered this chart, so you can take a break if you want, but I'm going to keep plugging away. All he seems to be doing is showing how this has happened before. Take XRP as an example, it's where I'm presently circling, and it's what I was talking about in 2020. Bitcoin appears to be completely useless. I thought, hey, look at what happened at those other times in the past. Its ascent is directly attributable to this. Is this going to be different than the previous one? Oh no, this time will be just like every other. I'm willing to put my money on that prediction. Very well, I must say that I share your viewpoint. Sure, nobody can predict the future with 100% accuracy. Unless a market crisis actually occurs, I feel strongly about this. A black swan event happens, or anything along those lines, okay. Apart from that. Still, when it comes to forecasting future pricing in US dollars, he relies on the tried and true methods. Assume, for the benefit of argument, that the value of Bitcoin ranges between 70,000 to 100,000. The target price for the first cycle is 0.000115. The result is that XRP's value will rise to 8.05. An investment of 100,000 in Bitcoin would yield 11.50 in XRP. Very modest goals are totally doable in my opinion. Even if XRP falls behind, as it often does in the past, that's fine. It wouldn't happen if you think Bitcoin won't reach a new all-time high. However, under this scenario, Bitcoin has. I will also be selling a ton of extra alts when I go. The reason I'll sell those first is because they'll probably run first in enough history. He then says, cycle to price target 0.0003. Virtual currency 75,000 XRP 21 for Bitcoin, 100,000 in XRP Bitcoin 3 times for 30 XRP valued at £70,000 1000 XRP costs 3.50 and 1 Bitcoin is 2.45. Afterwards, he formally declares XRP BTC's bull run. The predicted decline in XRP compared to Bitcoin after the 6,000 surge has remained. Was reading it illuminating? Oh my. He actually did. Looks like it's there twice. My eyes were glazed over when I read that earlier. The most I could say is that I simply thought I had scrolled down a little further. In any case, it's irrelevant. The analysis is now complete. Repeatedly, I am not good at guessing where prices will go, but I can give you a general idea of where things are headed. Yet, I will be utterly amazed if it doesn't. Also, our analysts, who are strong XRP crypto lovers, posted this morning. Attracting the 200 SMHs that attend daily and weekly. Tossing them both would serve as a solid indication. Additionally, LibCrypto has long been an XRP bull. In fact, this is a post from January 16th. Many mistook his words for a pessimistic outlook on XRP. My interest has never been piqued by the long-term chart. Is he considered a bearish by anyone? All I wanted to do was ask. The rationale for this is that there have been instances where he was concerned about its potential decline over shorter durations. In the end, he still hasn't altered his mind. Following this, he shows a year-long macro chart, suggesting that the result is dependent on how Bitcoin does. This alternative should be carefully considered by anyone looking to purchase XRP in 2024. Please tell me what that was. Checked out that post, that year, on November 29, 2022, it happened. Thus, this happened following the FTX crash that happened not long after that. On top of it, he wrote the following: the XRP price has been very stable over the last 5 years, fluctuating about 15 cents to 1.97. My main objective is 25. And current price action suggests that breaking the macro range would likely take another 1.25 to 1.5 years. I wanted to let you know that that's about how much time has passed since he said we're almost there. Bitcoin is making significant progress when we look at the XRP BTC chart. I mean, what do you think will happen next? What it wants to say will be said till that finishes, guy. Greetings came next, followed by a 2017 crypto XRP price chart and some potential fireworks shown by patterns from before. 700% surge, a brief decline, and then 6,0000% surge, with a further 40% surge in 2020. Similar to XRP 60,000% 12-month boom from 0.006 cents to 3.84 in 2017, there will be a drop followed by an incredible 1,000% increase. Before the XRP bull run, Bitcoin had already eclipsed its previous all-time high. Even if a breakout has been visible on the charts, the XRP community is feeling down. In your estimation, what will the price be in the year 2024? Sure, I won't try to estimate the cost. Still, I see your points of view and agree with them. It's accurate and pertains to my previous explanation. The skeptics who were present the last time Bitcoin or XRP had a meltdown look like total moron, and it keeps occurring. Similarly, every cycle whatever you decide to use XRP for, its value will continue to rise. Such a pointless coin. Thus XRP, even though the SEC complaint was a major focus, XRP nevertheless managed to outperform expectations over the previous market cycle, reaching 2.00 and staying in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market valuation. Despite the skepticism of its detractors, XRP has proved time and time again that the vicious Bitcoin maxi trolls were wrong, particularly in view of the recent SEC lawsuit. They see it as a foregone conclusion. Also, prominent cryptocurrency chart analyst Altcoin Sherpa wrote the following: online money above that, there is a rung that is around 60,000. My only regret is not staying longer. I still can't believe we've been trading so consistently without any setbacks. Witnessing this has been incredible, but we can expect a correction close to record highs. Despite the claims that Bitcoin will continue indefinitely, I must confess that yesterday was quite extraordinary. I earned 6,000 in a single day. 6 grand is all you get. It was only yesterday. Here we have chart analyst Matthew Hyland. The Bitcoin market is thriving. Neither peak has appeared yet, but they will inevitably pull back our consolidation. Shorter timelines are desired, implying that anything can happen. You should anticipate more, and if it turns out to be wrong, it's wrong. It appears like everyone is anticipating that this will continue, but we'll just have to watch. For instance, I will be taken aback and amazed if it suddenly jumps to 65,000 with no noticeable decrease. Just one word: party time. I'm done. No problemo. At that point, the video cuts out altogether. If you could hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Leave.